Welcome, my dear 6th class student in my YouTube channel. This is your computer teacher Priyanka ma'am. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So let's start today's video. But before it, what are the two important things you have to do? You have to like the video and make sure that you all are the subscriber of my channel to get the notification about new videos. Okay, so let's start today's video. So students, we will start artificial intelligence and we will recap all the topics which we have discussed in earlier videos. Okay, so let's start artificial intelligence. First of all, we will come to know that what things we are going to complete in this video. What is artificial intelligence? What is the need of AI? Impact of AI? Okay, so let's start with artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence can be defined as a branch of computer science concerned with the study and creation of computer system that can replicate human intelligence. Means when we try to make a machine which behaves like human being, which can make decisions, which can think, okay, so it can be possible with the help of AI. Now I will show you some images and it will make you more clear that why the artificial intelligence based machines are more capable. Okay, because they can take risk where the human life can be in danger. We can send the machines which are based on AI technology. Okay, like in mines, coal mines, space, some resorts are also there where we can send machine bomb detonation. Okay, different tasks are there where human can life can be in danger. A machine can make faster decisions. Obviously machine can make fast decision because they are emotionless only. It will work based on the coding, so it can take quicker action. Then the machine can be available 24 by 7, but human can't. Human can get tired, machine can't be tired, so it can work continuously for many hours. So I hope you understand through this that why we need AI, because human intelligence have several limitations like unreliable, limited application, speed, many more are there, due to which we need AI in place of human being. Now student, I will show you one video which is from a restaurant in Ahmedabad, Swag restaurant, and this robot name is Lexa. It is taking order like humans and serving the people. I hope you will like it. You can see this is Lexa. Okay, you can see that the waiter is putting the eatable items in the tray and the Lexa is moving. Lexa can change direction also. So you can say this is a robotic restaurant. AI technology based robots are there, and they are taking the instructions, and according to that it is working. See, people are making videos also. It is serving the food. Now it will wait that somebody will come and then give the keep the things on the table. You can see. So it is based on AI technology. Okay, and after one task will complete, then it will move to the another task. It means what? It is following all the instruction as in, it is taking as input, then processing it, and then giving the output. Now see, Lexa is moving in other direction also. Then it is moving towards the place where another order is also ready, and she is ready to you can see it is moving, and now she is ready to take the another order. So I hope student you understand how Lexa is working. So through this whole explanation of AI, I think now you understand the impact also, but I will explain you very shortly that artificial intelligence has brought a great revolution and upliftment in the field of computer science and technology. I hope student that you understand the topics which I have discussed. So this video is only a recap video which were based on the topics which we have already discussed in the earlier videos. Okay, so there is no assignment because all the topics related assignment I have already given you. So we will meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.